Here we are with another tool. Recently picked this one up. See, it's an Atlas 10. They came in 4 sizes: 10-inch, 18, 24, and 36. Has a patent date of 1888. And just remember that that's a patent date, that's not a manufacture date, but they did update the patent on October 2nd, 1910. This packet is May 15th, 1888. See, it's a pipe wrench. Teeth are really good on it. You can see one over at John Fix. He also has one that he just did, I think 2 years ago. But it's adjustable. Three different ways. Just by turning that lever, there's a little spring in there with detents. You can just do 3 different sizes. I'm not going to do anything with this, but put some oil on it because it's in really good condition. Looks like that's the original finish on it and everything. So there you are. Thanks for watching.